Swiping right for love. Is love at first sight still possible? In today's world of dating apps and online dating, swiping right for love has become a common phenomenon. But can you really find love at first sight in a world of digital dating? Or is the idea of love at first sight just a romantic fantasy? In this video, we will explore the possibility of love at first sight in the digital age and examine whether it's still possible. The science behind love at first sight. Love at first sight is a real phenomenon that has been studied by psychologists and scientists. It is a powerful attraction that can occur when two people meet for the first time and experience an intense connection. The role of physical attraction. Physical attraction is often the first thing that draws us to someone, whether in person or online. While it is not the only factor in a successful relationship, it can play a significant role in sparking initial attraction. The limitations of online dating. Online dating can be a great way to meet new people, but it also has limitations. Swiping through profiles can be superficial and doesn't always allow for the same level of connection as meeting someone in person. The importance of getting to know someone. While initial attraction is important, it's essential to get to know someone beyond their physical appearance. A successful relationship requires emotional, intellectual, and spiritual connection. Love takes time. While love at first sight is possible, it's essential to remember that love takes time to develop. It's not just a matter of instant attraction, but also of building a strong foundation and shared experiences over time. In conclusion, swiping right for love in the digital age may seem like a far cry from the romantic notion of love at first sight. However, love at first sight is a real phenomenon, and physical attraction plays a significant role in sparking initial connection. Online dating can be a great way to meet new people, but it's important to remember the importance of getting to know someone beyond their physical appearance. Love takes time to develop, and while it's possible to feel an intense connection at first sight, it's essential to build a strong foundation and shared experiences over time. So, is love at first sight still possible? The answer is yes, but it's important to take it slow and allow the relationship to develop naturally.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more from Psychology Bits.